remember when I first started, I said, when I first started, I said it would be great if I call on you I said if we thank you for the attention, appreciate that. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to use this opportunity to call on our former OCA president, Mr. Cliff Ejikeme, to please give us a few remarks about the scholarship program. Mr. Cliff Ejikeme.
Good evening all. Good evening everybody. Good evening. Can we please have just a little bit of silence and quiet so we can at least get through this part and then we can get back to the fun part, please. Thank you. Thank you. We want to thank all of you for coming tonight. Members of the high table, Odogo Busi, Atambo Busi, Dikembo Busi, we thank you all tonight for joining us. Busi Busi, we thank you for joining us tonight. Obo Busi, thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are so honored that you're here today. Let me apologize on behalf of OCA that we did not provide the best of accommodations for you tonight. We are sorry for that. We really are profusely sorry for that. But I must tell you that the substance of why we're here tonight is to raise funds to help children, that are in Nigeria working very hard for a bright future. I know I'm supposed to speak about a scholarship program, but I would like to add a little bit more to it by giving you a little bit background about OCA. OCA is not a big branch, actually. There's only about 22 families in the branch. But we are very committed to what we do. We are very clear about why we formed the organization. We are very clear that we formed it not as a social club, but to raise money and do work, educational targeted programs in Nigeria. And I can tell you that every penny we've raised has been used and mobilized in Obusi for this purpose. Over the years, we have built chairs that sat over 1,200 kids and given it to all the public schools in Obusi. We sent home over 30 computers and printers and gave it to all the secondary schools in Obusi. We also built a building that sat 5 classrooms for Obusi Community Secondary School in Obusi. Now, these are all the one-offs that we've done. But the one program that's really very close to my heart, because I came here on the scholarship of my uncle. And the scholarship program is the one program that we have sustained for the last 15 years. Be good, please bear with me, please bear with me, please. Be good. Be good. OCA believes that education is key to any future of any society. And we believe that if we can give the children at the elementary stage a core foundation of education, they will be able to move very high through the educational career and be able to have a living. So for the last 15 years, we have sustained over 120 kids through the program. And each child goes into the program for a 6-year program. So at any given point, We have layers of kids either coming off or coming on. Currently we have 77 children in the program. And this has been going on for 15 years. Now, you might say, well, okay, so what does that really mean? It means that we have to raise funds every year to cover the cost of these programs. And you all know how hard it is to make fundraising every year. We don't do fundraising every year. So we've found a way to be creative about that. We started doing races where we run marathons and we used to raise money. We're selling raffle tickets tonight, and we hopefully will come out ahead of our prizes and we apply it towards the scholarship program. But it's important for you to understand that we are not standing still. We are actually trying to expand the program to include university students, as our president said earlier. But we need support. We need funds to do this. We need funds to do this. We need you to help us tonight to achieve this dream. Because it's going to be a greater undertaking from where we are now. One university student, from what we decided, in a public university is going to cost $1,000 a year. We would like to see this program grow up to 10 kids a year, 10 students a year. And you know it's going to be a 5-year commitment. So please, as you think through what we're saying tonight, we really want you to think deeply. Even if you can't commit tonight, you can still commit later. If you can't commit for 1 year, you can commit for 2 years. You can do for part of the year. But we need your support to be able to move forward in this program and be able to grow it. I must tell you that in the years that we've been doing this, the average grades of the elementary students that were getting into these scholarship awards were very low. And because we select the top 5 best records of the exams each year, each of the schools now started seeing it as a prestigious thing that their students won the award. So now they started working harder with their students to help them to reach that award. And what it has done indirectly, which we didn't think of, is that it has raised the level of performance of these kids. Now, instead of their grades being in the 50s, they are in the 70s and 80s, and it's still getting stronger. So please, we can't let this program stop. We must sustain it as long as we can. We need your help tonight. We need your help tonight. Thank you so much. Somebody will be passing around envelopes. You can make a pledge, you can write a check. Also, if you want to know more about OCA, you can actually go to our website. It's augustinenewyorknewjersey.org. There's a lot of information on the site about the kids. There are pictures, there are award ceremonies that we've been doing, and you can actually make a donation on the site as well if you want to. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Please, His Excellency, Chief Emeka Adazio Ogosi is about to leave us for the evening and would like to say a few words to give us some advice. Thank you.
Well, Ugoma and myself and His Excellency the Ambassador and Mrs. Defie, we're about to leave. I would have loved to stay here, but unfortunately I'm having to travel to, we're both traveling tomorrow back to London and I continuing to Lagos. Because I have to be at the inauguration of our new president. As you all know, Nigeria is having a new president installed on the 29th. That's Friday. But on the 28th, the outgoing president and the new president will have a banquet, a dinner. An inauguration dinner would be on the 28th. And I together with the outgoing and the incoming president, 3 of us will be making speeches. So I have to be back there to speak. And so I'm not able to stay with you for the rest of your convention. But as I said in my opening remarks, your activities here in the United States have continued to impress all of us. And I want to wish you continued success in what you're doing. And I hope that your children born here in the United States, that you will continue to encourage them to take interest in their roots. Because, as the ambassador said, it doesn't matter where one is, one should always remember his roots. And so, ladies and gentlemen, it's goodbye to all of you and best wishes for the successful conclusion of this convention.
And now we shall continue with the fundraising event. It is a pleasure to have had Adazie, the nature, and the ambassador, all the special guests, all the people from London, from Nigeria, all over. We truly appreciate your coming today. So, we must continue. At this point, I will go to the head table and I will start with ODA-USA. He will tell you a few words and a few contributions, maybe.
I'd like to welcome Adazie Kusi Ofuma. Tonya Boyisi ayi. Ogosi makane. Likwano. Ana ebezo dika ni mara anozi. Ayi no kwa. Ọmọ bọbọ Ogosi. Achọnka if I go better, because I connect to you na nyere ndị ụmụaka n'Obosi. Ya bụ master donation. By isi na mụ na ebe m ya enye unu $1,000.
You know, it's always a pleasure. It's always satisfying to give than to receive. Let me go further. Let me call on Chief Sir Okay Wemana Uzi Obosi. You will have a few statements for us. Obosi Dalu no. Fala no bono da mbaki. Nzokwano. Hello. Hello. Odiofu. Well, oh, today, $100. $100, $100.
Ndị OCA awawakwano ife ya anwa ọ dị ka enye nkwụtụrụ ụbọchị na ịfụta ụlọ dị egosi ndị mmadụ ka m bidokwa n'isi obosikwezuanụ ndị OCA anyị ekelekwanụ kelere ODA ịfụ ndeme na-ata anyị ụtọ ọkwa ịgụ akwụkwọ ka eji mara obosi jere ịgụ akwụkwọ ha bụ ndị bụ ya mmadụ anafa odogwu obosi n'afọ onye mere chief dọkịta ugo ya mmadụ obi dị odogwu na obosi na ụmụ m nna bụ enyi nna nyere udo na ada odogwu anyị eji $2,000 kwado ndị obosi.
My wife and I, we are supporting OCA, which is our branch too, and I'm so happy that we are hosting the 21st convention. So Dikembo was here and the Chief Dikembo, we are supporting with $1,000.
And now, this is what I intend doing at this point. On the special tables, I will hand over to the special table and they will pass the microphone from one person to the other. They will make their donation and I'll move on to the next table. If it's okay with you all. Is that okay? Dr. Emeka Okeke. I know your name.
I just want to make one statement. I just want to thank our local supporters. Thank you all for coming. These are people who support us all the time. These are people who support us all the time. People from New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, Connecticut, and others.
sit down, I said, no, I'm well. I don't know. I'm here and I go. Mwabo, I can't do bad. When I say I can the OCA, but I even a convention, I did all better. So that's an icon complete, but look about it. I'm hard over. I want project. I know one time and I go in the New York area. When I know even the when I said I'm going to them $500 when I'm
was my car? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I was grateful. What's that calabar? Yeah. This is a rough was with was National President of the ODA-USA. First lady, which was with I 300 when I spoke.
I found open the wap. You know, they told us to say, she might wap. They took $300, you know, that's what
My second biggest blessing And I was also blessed with the most wonderful in-laws. In-laws in the blessed with our and Igbo. The more gracious of this community. So, before they came about on what they do scholarship program, OCA, area really is a I'm now for the scholarship program, and now for the with one so now I really want to start up on university scholarship for no being in here in there. Can you say
on behalf of my mother-in-law, Catherine, I may get $1,000. I need another $1,000. My mother-in-law, in memory of my late father-in-law, Engineer Amade.
I just want to get back to the high table once more. Before we continue, I may have skipped somebody from the high table, and I do apologize. Please, let me call on Dr. Onyike to please give a comment.
Oh my God, we know you can. Oh yeah, one of my wife. When you can. If I'm out and the was one dog on. I see the dog of equal. So here I met tonight. But very important thing to me, because more really like education, and I would love to support this endeavor with this envelope. Okay, I'll prefer for the amount to remain undisclosed. And they want to.
Also, I just want to announce that somebody actually made a donation and just left. Irondi Aliche also made a donation of $150. Biko kwani aka. And now, I would also like to encourage everybody. This is not just about the high table, it's not just about the special table. It's always good to give than to receive. I have with me some envelopes. You don't have to disclose anything. All you have to do is to raise your hand, you get an envelope, you can put anything you want. No donation is too small. and none is too big. You can give as little as $100. You can give as little as 50. 10,000. So okay, we also accept that. But we do have envelopes, and you don't have to disclose. But for the special table, I'm still going to go forward and see everybody on the special table.
Hello. Good evening, Obosi people. I'm Dr. Justin Egejuru from Imo State. I'm here because of my Obosi friends. Prominent among them is Ichie Odogwu Obosi, who was my schoolmate in the medical school. It was because of him and his family, brothers, that I'm here tonight with my two sons, Stanley and Victor. I've already submitted my donation to what Obosi people are doing, and they will say that I appreciate what you are doing, and like I said, I've already submitted the check.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for the invitation, and keep it up. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm moving over to the last special table. On the last special table. Oh, by the way, please, the envelopes are here, and you don't have to disclose anything. At this point, you can just make any donation as you wish. To the final special table. We are here. You have any comment for us?
My friend, did you get my friend? Yes. He was the one that was
Is there anybody that I'm missing? Is there anybody that I'm missing at this point? If there's anybody also, I would like to make it known. If there's anybody also on the floor at this point that would like to make any comments, that would like to make any kind of donation, I will be very grateful to give you the microphone at this point. Also, let me refrain from what I said earlier I did mention any donation, it's okay. It doesn't have to be $100. I thought I was making a joke, people didn't understand that. It could be anything. Okay, hold on.
Hello, in there, Uncle. My OCA brothers and sisters.
Thank you, my brother.
Along Charlie Adams, Obo Manugo. The in-law of the Manugo family right now. He founded Manugo Adams, also known as Inualo. She is my wife. And today is our 23rd wedding anniversary. In my 23 years of marriage, I've learned that the Igbo culture recognizes several types of wives. There is Isi and Wanye. Iwanye Igbo. Iwanye Igbo. And I have found that in the Igbo culture, I don't truly understand this, but husbands also may have wives that are married by their mothers. I don't know what you call that. When the mother marries someone that becomes a husband. Oh! Well, let me go on. Let's go on. I want you to know that Americans also have terms for wives. She is my trophy wife. A trophy wife, yes. A trophy wife must be beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. Intelligent. Yes. Passionate. Yes. And sexy. To claim a trophy wife, yes, a man must convince relatives and friends that he has the wherewithal to maintain, service, and display his role. The partial fulfillment of these obligations, I wish to honor Ochendo with a $200 contribution to ODA-USA.
Thank you very much. The donation translates donation $200 from Charles Adams. Also, I have a donation from Anthony Harris and Phyllis Martin Harris in the amount of $150. People down the back out, and now I seek any other person that would like to make any kind of donation. Listen, we are not trying to force anybody to make any speech. We are not trying to force anybody to make any form of donation, but whatever you do is truly acceptable. Whether you decide to give it openly or whether you want to give it in an envelope, that is truly acceptable. We thank you all. Let me ask you, for all of us that are here, I'm going to do something a little bit different. Please listen to me. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I know the dance floor is small. DJ, get ready. I know the dance floor is too small. But for the sake of unity, for the same reason we are here today, to celebrate, I want you all to look to your left at this point. Look to your right at this point. For every segment where you are, I want you to select a leader. On whichever row you are sitting, I want you to select one leader. Can you do that? Can you look to your left and to your right and select somebody from your table? Select one person from your table. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, I want you all to please rise. Everybody please rise and hold hands. Everybody please rise and hold hands. It will be combined right now. It will combine. Please, could you all rise and hold hands at this point? Make a chain. Do not break that chain. As DJ, hold hands, do not break that chain at this point. At the sound of the music, I want the leader of every chain to please come to the dance floor. DJ.